Hey there, my friends. Christine Trainer talking to you from New Westminster, British Columbia, Canada. As you can see, I'm outside here on my balcony, so you might hear a bit of a breeze, but I'll talk as clearly and loudly as I can because, hey, sometimes you want to do a video, you want to be outside where the beautiful weather is nice, right? And it is me. It's just that these are prescribed glasses, and so they darken in the summertime when the sun is out. And if I can't read when I'm writing down, I gotta wear my glasses. So sorry about that, guys. But as you can see, I'm just experimenting today. As I continue on in my thoughts today, I want to share and ask you one question, and that is this. So, are you getting a little frustrated when you're working online? Do you find it kind of hard when you're constantly posting on work posts and you're getting nothing, or you're not getting very good consistent payouts, or what's the other thing? The program you're on the training is not 100%. You're not learning as much. You just want to quit, or you don't feel the team or the leader is helping you out or doing any good thing for you, and you're having a little bit of a frustrating time and you want to quit, and you're feeling like there's no solution, there's no good method on how you really want to move forward in your online social media marketing. I tell you this, there is one good solution I want to share with you today, and as I already shared with you in my title, is Success Solution Method. It is a beautiful platform, a digital marketing platform, a digital marketing training platform that can really help enhance and build your business even further in your online marketing life, social media marketing life. It is amazing. And why I'm sharing this with you today is because this is a phenomenal platform led by a wonderful person who's a six-figure earner on her own right, who has given us shall we say, trainings of all she's learned all the years that she has been in social media marketing. And this is what I want to share today. Now, I tell you why this is important to share, because we need to know where it's at these days. We need to know and understand how we can move further in our life. Because I tell you this now, I tell you this all honestly, I actually was almost going to quit 7 weeks ago. I was just going to I'm not doing anything. I'm not making any money. I'm getting crickets engagement on my page, which happens, if you don't get enough engagement on your page, right? I didn't feel like my target audience I was reaching anybody. I felt like, what the heck am I doing this? And even with the other particular programs I was on, I wasn't making a consistent payout, and it was getting frustrating. I mean, I kept going on work posts, posting. I thought they were pretty good posts. Nada. I was spiraling to frustration and anger within myself, not knowing if this is the best place for me to be. And believe it or not, sometimes you feel that way, right? You feel like this is not going to work. But I tell you what, when this came into my life through a wonderful friend, she shared this wonderful platform to me, I was blown away. But I also know that this is true. You need to invest in yourself if you're going to become more successful, right? You need to do this. Investing in yourself is the best investment you can make. Isn't that true, guys? And when you start investing in yourself, and this platform is very simple. It has 5 wonderful packages. It's up to you as a marketer where you stand in these packages, and it's basically a package. The packages are one-time payment, and you go from there. The training is phenomenal. It's weekly, and since it is a task-based platform, you are earning as you are learning, which means when you go on the trainings, and they're suggested on a weekly basis, you are applying what you're trained, and you continue on with these tasks on a daily basis, and it helps enhance your Facebook page or whatever platform you may be on. It could be LinkedIn, it could be WebTalk, it could be what other things, Instagram or Twitter, whatever platform you're on, you can apply this method to any platform and whatever business you are on, and it does work. I kid you not. I mean, within 7 weeks, I've been actually earning consistently because I'm applying the method. I'm doing my income-producing activities with this wonderful digital marketing training platform. And I'm an affiliate as well, so you can share it out to others, to share the beauty of the success of this beautiful method, Successful Solution Method. It's amazing. And I really wanted to get that out today because I know for a fact that each and every one of us deserves to be part of a beautiful team, right? That's going to help each other grow even further, because when you're a part of a team together, guys, coming together is a beginning. Keep together is a progress, and working together is a success. Exactly, right? And why I thought that would be a wonderful share to me, because this is one of my first series of videos to share how beautiful Successful Solution is. And believe you me, I thought 7 weeks ago to give up. But when this came about in my life and I applied the training, did my daily tasks to help build my page, to share and to enrich and to give value with my wonderful posts, which is attraction marketing, right? My target audience is coming back, and my engagement on my Facebook page is amazing. And some of our members are doing even more better. Their engagement is phenomenal, and the income, the consistent payouts are even better. And when you have coaches, success coaches within the team, helping you and guiding you, where can you go wrong? But only to go further, more successful. So I love Successful Solution Methods. I think it's going to really take the world by storm. And if you apply when you apply the trainings onto what you want to do, and you're building your business, that's the main thing. You're investing in yourself, being part of a team, being guided by an awesome leader, phenomenal leader, wonderful success coaches that are going to help you and guide you, and wonderful Successful Solution Method platform that are going to really get you to where you want to go. Sky's the limit, guys. The sky's the limit. And so I tell you what, why don't you pop on over to my Facebook page? I'll leave the link below, and see what I'm sharing. Become my friend, and let's continue on an awesome conversation. And if you want to have more idea and learn more about Successful Solution Method, we have an awesome group. I'll leave the link below. Join the group and continue on the conversation there and learn even more about Successful Solution Method. And one more thing, if you want to go further, I'll drop the link to our platform below, and let's get started. Let's get you started in the road to success on this wonderful world of social media marketing. True, right? Because I know one thing for you. Any help is good help. Any good training is good training. And this program, this platform is going to really hit the mark for you. It has done for me, and I'm proud of it. Now I'm going to continue on with some more wonderful videos in this series of talking about Successful Solution Method and other things in the coming months and week ahead. I invite you to come by, drop me a like and a comment, subscribe to my channel as I go even further. So my lovely friends, I will see you on the other side to success with Successful Solution Method. Talk to you soon. Bye.